What is up, you guys? Welcome to another vlog. Today I'm getting ready because we are headed to Nashville tomorrow. It is Wednesday today and we're leaving Thursday and staying till Sunday, and so I am like trying to get all of my packing in order today. We have a whole itinerary planned for the weekend, places to see, things to do, places to eat at, and all of that good stuff. We found really good recommendations online thanks to y'all, because I was looking at all these different blogs and things and trying to get ideas. I am so excited about some of these outfits that I'm bringing with me, and some of them I've never worn before, so I need to figure out exactly like where I'm gonna wear them all, but they are coming with, so hopefully I find something good to wear them to. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm bringing. If you have been following my Instagram stories, I got this from Buffalo Exchange from the thrift store the other day, and then this shirt too, which I'm so excited to pair with these super cute shorts. And then this I got at Target. It's just a romper, and I'm gonna wear that one day. And then this dress I also got at Buffalo Exchange. Again, if you're watching my stories, you probably already saw it, but it's so cute, and I'm gonna wear it with my brown sandals. And I have my American flag shorts that I'm gonna wear with my cowboy boots when we go line dancing. And my airport outfit over here, I got this like super cute hoodie from Target the other day. It's like short cut off in the front, so I thought that was super cute and fun. Oh, and then I got this off of Amazon the other day. It's just a carry-on, but I am so excited about it. How cute is this, you guys? It has like pockets on the inside and everything, and it fits a laptop too, which is great. Okay, it is 6:30 in the morning. No, it's not. What time is it? 5:30. Waiting on our Uber. Ready to go?
Ready to go.
I need to start this over because this is falling. We are officially in Nashville. We made it. I did a quick airport change in a very sketchy bathroom, but we're good. We made it. Skies are pretty. You can see that. And it's super green compared to San Diego. We made it to Broadway, and it is poppin'.
There's a band on every corner.
Yeah.
And everywhere you turn, there's a band.
Every single bar is like 2 or 3 stories high, and then there's like a band on like every single level.
It's awesome.
Yeah, and we just went to the Johnny Cash Museum, which was so fun.
Show some moves.
Hold on, I gotta get serious. I don't know the name of this one.
Me neither.
How'd the boot selection looking?
There's seriously so many boots, I don't even know what to do.
Got a favorite pair?
All of them.
Morning, world.
Good morning.
Feels early, but it's not.
It feels really early because we're still in California time, but it is actually like 11 o'clock in Nashville, but to us it's like 9 a.m.
Just time for brunch.
Yeah. We're headed to Frothy Monkey, which is a place I've never been, but I've heard great things, so we're gonna check it out.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we just had breakfast at the Frothy Monkey right here, and I totally forgot to do a vlog while we were eating, so it was so good. We ate all of our food so fast.
So stuffed.
Yeah, but it was so great. What would you rate it?
10 out of 10.
Yeah, definitely 10 out of 10. It was so good. Waiting for the elevator, waiting for the elevator, waiting for the elevator, hey, 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 hey. So, we went... Okay, Siri. I have her on like a setting where she has like a fun accent, and she keeps saying that she's taking us to the Grand Ole Opry, and it's making me laugh. Oh, we went to the Ryman Auditorium and realized that you have to pay $25 to get in for a tour, and the two of us, it was gonna be like 50 bucks. So we were like, we're not doing it. So we didn't go in, but we are headed to the Grand Ole Opry, the current one. Also, update on Johnny Cash. I did not talk about this yesterday when we went to the Johnny Cash Museum. I had no idea that he was so much more than just a singer. I thought for sure he was famous for his songs, which he is, but he also like helped the Native Americans or something. He actually wasn't in prison, he just helped the people that were in prison. He was an actor, he was in so many movies at the museum. They like play like sections of the different movies that he's in. I honestly had no idea. I'm not really into museums for the most part. I actually really don't like museums, I get very bored. But I was fascinated, like seriously, yeah, I was like loving learning all about his life. Made it to the Grand Ole Opry. We are going to be heading next to, actually we're not really sure, we're going to do some exploring because it's really hot outside. Check this view out from up here. This is so cool. You can see like all of downtown. Wow.
Two-stepping in the elevator.
Whoa, this feels weird. This feels weird. I gotta stop. Today is day 3 of our trip, and we just got in the car. We are heading to hopefully find a Starbucks because we're both hungry and want coffee. What, can't you believe?
It's 11 o'clock and people are raging. There's
I
a
know.
full-on party bus ahead of us and every bar had a band playing.
They are just ready to party at all times of the day here. It's kind of fun.
That's crazy.
You know, I like it. I appreciate it because I do not stay up late at night, and so the fact that all of these places are open right now is great. We're headed to Franklin, which is a town like 30 minutes outside of Nashville, and I've heard that it has super cute shops and it's a little bit more mellow and laid back compared to like the city vibes. So very excited to see that. I also heard that Keith Urban lives over there, so I'm definitely going to be on the lookout to see if I see him. Probably won't see him. Do you think we're gonna see him? Chances are
Low.
very low. And then we're gonna go head over to the 12 South area, which also has like fun shops and murals and stuff. And then we're gonna hopefully head back into Nashville after that and do some line dancing. I'm wearing my boots today. We are here at the, oh, you can't see the sign, the Five Daughters Bakery, and you guys, they have gluten-free, dairy-free donuts. That is so hard to find. What flavors did we get?
Chocolate chip, sea salt, and cold brew.
I'm so pumped. What was that about the grass?
There's a lot of grass that gets mowed in Tennessee. Look at all these homes, and it's all like mowed, manicured lawn.
You're not wrong. A lot of lawn mowing going on in Tennessee. We have gotten so lucky with the weather while we've been here. It's been like so hot, like 90s, and today on our very last day, it's like 75 and a little rainy and like super windy. So we totally lucked out with the rain, with the weather. Anyways, fun fact, these earrings that I'm wearing, I wore on my wedding day, and I brought them back today. I think they're so fun. They're so like light. And then this headband I got yesterday, actually, when we were shopping around. There was an Anthropologie, and I found this headband. Okay, we are here in the Gulch. I love that song. And look at how cool this mural is. It's so big. It keeps going on the whole entire wall. You guys, look at all these people waiting in line for the wings. That's crazy. That is crazy. If I owned a store, I would use this wrapping too. This is so cute. I love it. I got a very cute leopard hat. Oh my gosh, the inside of the bag is leopard too. So cute. And a leopard hat to go inside my leopard wrapping in my leopard bag. Everything leopard. Okay, we just got to the airport. We are heading home, and so we're going to end the vlog here. We made it. It was such a fun trip, and we are happy to be home.
Very happy.
Also, fun fact, in Adam's vows to me, he said he was going to take me to Nashville. So he delivered. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys next time.